look different. And hello, unrecognized intruder. Unfortunately, due to increased security measures, you must now be incinerated.
Whoa! Hey, you talk! Kind of.
Oh, like a trainee shadow. Welcome. Initiating uniform assignment.
No. I don't like this outfit.
Please proceed to fishbowl space.
He did it again.
Welcome to waiting! First up is Knuckle Alonia.
I know. But first, let's get started. We're going to start activity. And the one is Freddy. And get ready. Right back. We'll get back to work here. Thank you. First of all, start. Now to bring you Mike and his terrific friends.